Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of the Soto Cuddle Finance channel. And today we are going to talk about my student loan and what you can do to speed up the process of repaying back your student loans. Yes? Sounds interesting? To give a like, subscribe to find out more if there's any more like little tricks that you can do. Anyway, alright, right now guys, we are in a pandemic. You all know, so the beer, right? The beer brand is taking over, right? It's taking over, it's taking us all one by one, but it's not funny, okay? And then you know what else isn't funny? Your student loans, okay? So that was never funny for me. I started off right out of college with student loans, about 35,000, I think. I feel like I keep increasing that, but I think it's around 35K. I don't really know because I tried to not think about it too much. I didn't think about it straight out of college. I had one job, it wasn't like totally what my major was. And then after that, I got out of that job, looked for a real job, real career, And then I have my current job. With the money that I earned from there, I'm paying off my loans. And what I didn't know was that you get a 6-month grace or something like that, like 3 to 6 month grace. Depends on what loans that you have. But then after that, they start asking you for the money, They bill you up. They're like, yo, we need your money, okay? So then you start, chipping away your check little by little. Now, new situation going on. Okay, so I had two types of student loans. I had Sallie Mae, it was a private loan. So the Sallie Mae had its own portal. Okay, so I paid that off. I don't know about that. I don't know if they froze that. I would think that Sallie Mae froze that also. They are pausing our payments, our monthly payments until September. Okay, that's the news. Okay, if you didn't know that, okay, there's some news for you, some good news for you. And it gets a little better from here. So the point of this video, all right, my suggestion is whether you have a job right now or you don't have a job or you are about to receive some money on a monthly basis, instead of paying off your loans monthly on Nelnet or Sallie Mae, I know you guys sometimes are lazy and we don't really want to do this and we don't want to think about the loans, but this is pretty important. Log in, take a look. It's going to say like, oh, due to beer, we are no longer asking for money for now, right? Still going to take money out from your monthly, so get rid of that auto payment and move that auto payment instead into your high yielding savings account. Okay, I'm not going to tell you to play the lotto and go on the stock market. That's our other videos. So if you want to know more about stock markets, check out our other videos. But do not do this for your student loans. Okay, do not do this for your student loans. Okay, instead of doing that, put it in a high yield savings account. This is not risking your money. This is saving your money. Okay. And in a high yield savings account. So for example, I have my money in Discover. That interest rate is 1.5% APY. Okay, so what does that mean? It means that any money that you put in there, it's going to give you some money back to you monthly, just for having your money parked there. Okay, in 1 year, it's going to give you 1.5% back. Okay, but monthly it gives you a little bit back. That's been my main saving account for a little while. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys and say I had a savings account for a year. I had it for close to a year. Close to a year. Okay. Now, instead of putting my payments directly into the student loan, which isn't even asking me for money right now, I'm putting it into my savings account because I know for a fact that yearly it's going to give me some money back, just a little bit. But every little bit counts. So, and we know that, if you have student loans, every single little bit of money counts. So this is your chance to just earn just a little bit of money from today, which is April, to, for me, October 20th. And for you, it might be October 1st, October whatever. But definitely until October 1st to October 30th, that's going to be your first payment coming back. And, maybe that will change. But that's even better for you because now you're going to have more money in your savings account. You take you basically like putting in like all the money that you're gonna already be putting into your student loan into the savings account, and then in a few months, but you know, because of the bank is, you know, helping you out because you have money parked there, you're gonna put all this money into your student loans, which is gonna look really cool. It's also gonna feel like, whoa, I just put like a really good dent into that student loan. You know, think about that. Like in our channel, we always preach to do your own research as well. But this is, you know, we've done some research for you, and I think this is a good idea to put your money that you were gonna put anyway into your student loans into your savings. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to do that on my computer screen, and then that will be it. So, alright, hi guys. So here we are. We are looking at, this is the Discover Bank that I was saying that you should put your student loan money that you're going to pay monthly into your Discover. So I've been using Discover, right? It has 1.5% APY. We're going to do some compare and contrast between all the banks. So this is Discover, you know, 1.5% daily, monthly, 0, okay, right? This is Chase, doesn't give you that month of an annual percentage yield. This is your interest rate, all right? So Chase only gives you 0.01%, monthly, right? All right. And then Citibank, which I also have Citibank, but I know that they do not give you a good savings interest rate. This is 0.04%. And then there's also a monthly fee of $4.50 a month. Can you believe that? Monthly fee. And then there's also a minimum balance. I forgot to mention that. There's a minimum of $500 here, and there's a minimum of $300 for Chase. For Bank of America, it's 0.3. Okay, you can see this. Yeah, so it's not good. Definitely not Bank of America. And I have Citibank, and I don't use Citibank. I use Discover. So we're also going to do another comparing. We're going to take away Bank of America. Well, we'll keep Citibank because I have Citibank. We'll put in Capital One and Ally Bank, okay? So let's take a look. Now, Capital One is pretty good. It has 1.5%. So this is another one that I recommend and my friend also recommends, all right? And another one, this is an online savings account. So there's no branches, okay? Discover doesn't have any branches, real life branches, but Capital One does, okay? So if you want to go to a Capital One store, you can go there and ask for your money or change your money into a checking account, etc., etc. You can also open up savings account only for each of these. So you don't have to have a checking account if you don't want one. It doesn't hurt you to have another checking account either. But you know, taking into account that some banks require you to have a minimum balance. Like Discover and Capital One and Ally Bank doesn't require a minimum balance. You don't have to put $1,000 in here. You could just put as much as you want in there. And right now, what we're doing is we're putting in our student loans that we're going to pay monthly. I personally put in $350 monthly. Now I increase it to $400. Okay? So I opened up the Capital One website just so you can see that I'm not lying. So APY is 1.5%, fees none, minimum balance $0, FDIC insured. Also, if you're looking for a savings, make sure it's FDIC insured. Just make sure, okay? We'll get into that in another video. If you want to look into other videos about saving accounts and different saving accounts and how you can maximize your APY, we will do a video on that, so please subscribe and leave a like on this video if this helps at all. Also, I opened up Ally Bank. This also has a 1.5% high yield savings account, okay? It's online. There's no branches. Some people may be scared, so don't be scared. Ally Bank is just an online. Instead of using that money to have a retail space, they are giving you that money back. But Capital One has been doing the same thing, so there's no harm or foul with picking either of these three that I recommend personally, okay? And if there's a referral link, I'll have it in the description down below. We are going to also take a look on how we can put in that money monthly. I just logged into my Nelnet account, and as you can see here, we have the due date is 10/20/2020. Over here you can see the payment postponed due to the beer, right? And then over here we got the last payment received, which was for me $320/2020, $350, and then the current balance is this much, is how much I owe right now, and then the due date now is 10/20/2020, and then over here status forbearance, yes, okay. To Discover right now, and you can see that my current balance is 185. That's all I have in my savings. And then we have scheduled right now for repeating transfer from Citibank, scheduled for 4/20/2020. Okay, if you go to transfer money, schedule a new transfer. You go to from your main banking, which is where you probably have your direct deposit or where you want to pull money from, whatever. And then you put your amount. I'm gonna put 400, and then my frequency will be monthly right here. And then you can start. So I'll just pretend like, oh, I'm starting today. I'm filming this on the 9th. And then, boom, boom, until, over here it says duration, until cancel. But we're going to set an end date. So we know that this is going to end in September. So we'll just change it to exactly until November, this date, which is on the 9th, 9/9/2020. And then you continue, and then that'll be it. And then just remember on that date, on October 9, if this is your due date, October 9, to put all the money that you have racked up into your savings right into your student loans. And that's it, guys. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more tips on student loans, credit cards, and just finance and stocks and everything that you want to know. Learn more with us as we grow to be financially independent, like we all want to. Subscribe. Leave a like in this video. Subscribe for more. Definitely subscribe for more. And if you really want to be notified, ring that bell down below. And I'll see you in the next video.